Welcome to this Access tutorial. On this video, I'm going to show you how to add a button to an Access form. Right now I have a database open. It's the Stark Laboratories database. And I'm going to go ahead and add a button to the Marvel People form. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. I'm going to change the view to Design View. As soon as I changed it, it put me in the Design ribbon. And now I'm going to click on this button right here because this is for a command button. I'm going to click and then draw it. Now, as soon as I did that and I dropped it, the command button wizard popped up and it's going to step you through the process and it shows you all the actions that you can do. So right now I'm going to start easy. Let's go ahead and navigate through the records and let's go to the next record. I'm going to click next. On the button, would I like it to be text or do I want a picture? I'm going to have it as text. What would I like to call this? And this is CMD for command and I'm doing next record. Finish. All right, so let's try it. I'm going to go to View, Form View. Right now you can see I'm on record 1. If I click my button, it takes me to record 2. Very easy. So let's try another one. Let's go to View, Design View. I'm in Design. I'm going to click on the button. I'm going to draw it. And this time, let's do a form. Let's do a form operation and let's open a new form. We're going to go to Open Form. They'd like to know what form I'd like it to open, so let's open the weapons form. It's asking me some information. I'm going to let it default. Would I like a text or a picture? I'm going to tell it text, and I want to open the weapons form. This is CMD, open weapons form. All right, so let's try it. I changed my view, open weapons form. As soon as I clicked it, it opened the weapons form. I'm going to go ahead and close this. I'm going to make one change. So when I clicked this button, it went ahead and it opened up a form. But now let's give it 2 actions. So 2 actions for one button. I'm going to go to View, Design View. I'm going to click on the button. Then I'm going to right click and go down to Properties. So right now on click, it's doing whatever is in this macro. So let's look at the macro. It's telling me, okay, it's going to open the weapons form. But let's say I also want it to close a form. Let's close the window. It's asking me what object type, and it's going to be a form. And I want it to close the Marvel People form. All right, so it should be able to do those 2 things. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. Yes, I'd like to save. Let's change the view. So yes, it opened the weapons form and it's asked me if it would like to save changes to the Marvel, and I'm going to say yes. And then it went ahead and closed that form for me. So it did the 2 actions just in one button. So that was fantastic. One more thing I want to show you. I'm back here. I'm going to change my view. So one thing, whenever you do your buttons, make sure that your tabs work just fine. But also, I like to make sure they're the same size. So I clicked on the first one. I held down Shift. I clicked on my second one. I'm going to go to Arrange. And then I'm going to go to Size and Space. I want it to the widest. And I also want it to the tallest. I want them to look the same. So I'm going to go ahead and save. And now you can see my next record works. I can also open my weapons form, which will close this form. Very simple. If you have any questions, please email me at learn@vegetarianhomeschooler.com.